What are you making today, babe?
We are making bacon wrapped potato wedges. I'm using ground turkey. Well, I'm using turkey. Well, I guess it's ground, right? But you can use regular bacon if you want. We just prefer that. Less grease.
Turkey bacon.
So we're gonna cut these up into. I don't like cabbage.
It's a 16-inch fan. You don't mount it up. We're in a temperature switch.
You keep wiping the Jeep.
Yeah, you're just sweating on everything. The whole floor over here. I can't step back and do it.
Hey, we didn't have to move the exhaust. We didn't have to jack up. We didn't have to do anything. Look at that.
We're gonna cut these up into wedges. So we're just gonna do half it like this, because we kind of want them like a JoJo. Like that. That's what we're gonna do. And these are red. You can use any potato you want. We just happen to have red. But these are kind of big, but we're not making fries, we're making JoJo's. And plus you want that with your bacon. Wraps it around a little bit more. Some of them are going to be bigger. This one's going to be a little bit bigger. But bacon's all around it. Oh, and we're putting seasoning in these too. Yeah, but these are going to be kind of big. They're kind of like an appetizer, you know. It's not like a fry. It's an appetizer, like bacon on it. Yum. What is that? It's plastic from the bag. Okay. Now, I gotta throw that away. We're gonna put seasonings on them. Now we're gonna put in some ingredients. I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil because I'm using turkey bacon. If you're using pork bacon, you probably don't need this. But, you know, turkey bacon doesn't have the oil in it. Well, grease. So we're just going to put about 2 tablespoons. And then I'm going to put in some salt. Not a lot, because that has a little bit in it. But I am going to put about 2 teaspoons. A lot of potatoes in here. And then we're going to put some Tex Mex in it.
A little cumin.
So these are going to be, whoa, that was strong. Tex Mex with bacon on them. But we're only doing a little bit of Tex Mex. We don't want to overload them. Chili powder. Don't sniff it. It will go up your nose. So we're going to do 1 teaspoon of that. And then ground pepper. Now we gotta mix it up. This time I'm not doing it with my hands because we're gonna be putting bacon on it, and I kind of want them to have all the seasonings in here and not on my hands. So I'm just gonna mix them up gently. And now we're gonna let them marinate for about 15 minutes. I want these kind of get a flavor. And then we're gonna wrap them with bacon. See you in 15 minutes. So now we're gonna wrap these. They've been marinating for about 15 minutes. And look at that. They smell like Tex Mex. Okay, let's see. Add over here. Bacon over here. Gotta get set up. Alright, so now I'm gonna take them. I'm gonna wrap a bacon around them. And we're gonna put them up wedge side up. Let's see, I probably didn't count this. I have 22. We'll just play it by ear because I can't even tell you. But the good thing is that the seasonings get all over the bacon too. So it's like a double yummy. We'll just kind of do them like this.
And you're setting them.
Wedge side up. So the most fattest part, put it down, and that's where you put the bacon because it lays right down there, and you don't have to use toothpicks. That's why you do it this way. Let's see. So I put it like that, about right there, and wrap it around, and then the end goes on the bottom, like that. And we can move these around if we need to. So, almost done. This is definitely a little bit labor intensive, but they're like really good for like an appetizers or something if you want to bring it to a party. And we got one more. Here we go. Let's space them out a little bit. So I got 22 potatoes out of that.
Mm-hmm. Use that whole thing of bacon.
And now we're going to put them in the oven after I wash my hands. It's got to go in now. We're going to check it at 35, but I'm pretty sure it's going to need at least 5 or 10 more minutes after that. But we just want to see what it's doing. It's almost done. Almost done. Oh, I need to get my trustees. Oh, there we go. Yes, I'm a nerd. I'm sorry. I will still do that though. But we're going to take out the wedges. The bacon wrapped wedges. So these are, if you're using like the actual pork bacon, these would be more greasier. But these are turkey bacon wedges with Tex-Mex. Don't forget the seasonings. But anyways, like, subscribe, follow me, click that bell. Yeah, but anyways, this is more of an appetizer, so Holidays are coming up. We're gonna eat now.
Y'all stay tuned.
What is dinging? That's our dishwasher. Smash the like button. Yeah, no, don't smash the like button. I hate that scene. Take that out, babe.